Hello and welcome back to another update video. This update is number 5. I'm going to be going out of the plasma cutting, welding, TIG welding, that area, and I'm going to go to the other side of the workshop and going to get more into the kind of the tools that I need to cut metal. So pretty much this whole time I've been using scrap and just testing out welding on little bits of metal, but now I actually want to kind of use the raw metal that they provide. They're maybe not raw, but they're kind of tubes, and cut them down. So I'm going to use a chop saw, a cold chop saw that they have at school, and I'm also going to use the bandsaw, the vertical bandsaw, which is right next to it. There was a lot of videos on these two tools, but what was difficult to find was a video on like this kind of very traditional one that they have at school. I only found one, but that was really helpful. It kind of said how to move it, how to treat the blade, the fact that it's kind of got lubricant going through it. And the vertical bandsaws, there's kind of quite a lot of them, old and new. Vertical bandsaw looks a little bit like it's you have to kind of put your hands near the blade, so I'm going to see how that works. It also looks quite loud as well. The vertical chop saw looks pretty safe because the blade is moving incredibly slowly. Okay, so let's head into school, see what we can do. Let's go. Okay, so I just made it back from the metal workshop. Of the two machines that I used, the chop saw and the vertical bandsaw, I thought the chop saw was great. Really cool looking machine. The video online, this one video that I found specifically of a traditional chop saw, cold chop saw machine, was really helpful. I did get a little bit stuck when it came to the rotating of the machine, but everything else is pretty simple, like turning it on, the speeds. But yeah, I ended up getting a bit of assistance with the turning of the blade. The vertical bandsaw, I did not like using. It was really loud, could only cut through thin material. Felt a bit dangerous when using it, to be honest. Maybe I need a bit more time with it to enjoy using it, but the videos of the vertical bandsaw were very helpful. I mean, if I was going to use it again, I would keep on watching these videos. I found about 10 online, which was really helpful. The chop saw I'm going to be using a lot. Any kind of situation where you need to cut metal which is quite long and you want it to cut it accurately, or a 45-degree angle to make bent corners, I'll be using that all the time. I think I need to get a bit better on the kind of the pressure that you put on the blade and the differentiation between the two speeds that you have. So that's going to be kind of trial and error, I think, because this one video online, it's not the best thing to reference to. And yeah, the fact, because I was looking at the machine for a while, trying to work out how to get the blade to turn. It's just a situation where you have loads of people wanting to use this machine in a busy workshop, and you have me kind of looking at the machine trying to work it out, and someone came over and asked if they could help me, and it was hard for me to say no because it's hard to explain this project sometimes, but yeah, it was good. We definitely use it more. So I think that sums up this video. Thank you for watching. Please get involved in the project. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.